So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. Oh, this is Uber CEO is cutting rates for drivers. We already did talk about this in a previous video, but we're just gonna talk about it again, because not enough people saw that video. Uber, can you read this?
Yeah. Uber and Lyft driver pay isn't keeping up with soaring fares, study says. So this is a study from UCLA researchers. Basically, they're saying that even though Uber and Lyft fares have increased by 50% since 2019, for passengers, the pay for drivers has only gone up 31%. So, like, shouldn't it be equal? If the riders are paying 50% more, the drivers should be getting paid 50% more, but they're not. Uber is just keeping a bigger profit.
Yeah, Uber for passengers is very expensive, but drivers aren't reaping the benefits. Guess who's reaping the benefits? Guess who's reaping the benefits? It goes by a little guy by the name of Uber Dara Koshasari.
A little guy. Yeah, my boy Dara keeping all the money.
Guess where all the money's going? To this guy right here, 250 mil. So he can buy his...
While he's chilling in the PJ, all you drivers.
I bet this guy does have a private jet. I wouldn't be surprised. He literally does. He's literally standing by the PJ. That's a helicopter, I think. Oh, this one he's in a... Is that a PJ?
I think that's just first class.
Wow, what a peasant. He's really flying first class. Wow, he's riding a bike. Wow, he can't afford an Uber. No, I'm pretty sure this guy, he has a house in San Francisco, right? Is that his house? I don't know.
Ubers for life, right?
Holy crap, he just bought a $3.8 million home?
In Seattle?
Yeah, it's kind of ugly.
Where?
Why is this? It literally looks like he has a roof on the side of his house. They just did the shingles on the side of the house too?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, the trees are kind of cool, but I don't know. But yeah, so this study basically shows, guys, that like drivers are not, drivers are right. Like the Uber takes more and more of the pay cut, and so this is why Uber and Lyft Uber and Lyft share prices have been going up. This is why Uber and Lyft is trying to keep drivers independent, not make them employees, so they can keep paying drivers less and less and less.
Yeah.
In relation to how much they're making off each ride. They need to make money, so they're trying to become profitable. They're doing everything they can to, make more money and squeeze the drivers until they quit. But they're going down to the last penny. Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.